I used to be a vice president of a group of companies of prominent people in Manila and in Ilocos. Then I went to the US. I went back to check what my son Pee-wee is doing with the V-Mobile. So when I went back, I was convinced and satisfied of what he is doing. Since I got involved with V-Mobile, I have now a financial freedom, time freedom. I enjoy talking to people and seeing how it transformed their life, it changed their life, and it makes me so happy when they tell me, "Oh, Tita, I was able to get na my first laptop, first car, or yung first check." Yeah, that makes me feel so contented and an achiever. I just tell them to have faith in God and believe in the company, believe in our product, and believe in themselves. I think V-Mobile is being used by God because there are now a channel of blessings to so many people. It changes so many people's lives, changes so many people's relationships. Maraming ginagawang pagbabago dahil sa V-Mobile. V-Mobile is one of the best. Ang mga members and new leaders of V-Mobile came from different walks of life. From business people up to the lowest na magbobote, magjajaryo, pedicab driver, lahat yun pwede magsama-sama. Ito lang yung business na pwede magsama-sama ang iba-ibang klaseng tao. We would like to thank you, V-Mobile and Penta Capital, for being a channel of blessings to everyone. God bless you more. More power to you, Sir Benko. More power, Penta Capital. And more power to all the staffs. More power to all the new leaders, new millionaires, and the previous millionaires. Continue, keep it up, and God bless you all.